Well, another project to occupy the time during COVID. I got this kit from Banggood. It's a rotating Ferris wheel. Here it's in the stationary position. And it was a fairly easy kit to build. No real problems here. Lots of LEDs that you have to solder. And you can see the back of it here, all the LEDs. It's fairly easy. And you have the motor there that will make it turn. But I have the motor unplugged because it's actually kind of noisy when it turns. I don't know if that's from the motor or from the scraping of the contacts on the metal plate on the front. But if you have music playing, you won't hear it. And there you can see those gold contacts that contact the metal plate on the rotor that it kind of scrapes along. I think there'd eventually be some wear and tear on that. And also some people have said, well, where's the instructions? I can't get the instructions. The link doesn't work. Well, when you go to the Banggood site and you scroll down, you'll see this link here for the manual. It says click here to download. But when you click on it, nothing happens. What's happening here? It doesn't work. Well, what you have to do is you have to right click on it. So another window in Windows pops up with a number of different choices, one of them being save link as. You can pretty much choose any one of the options, but let's say you choose save link as, and then you'll get another window that will come up and say, oh, is this where you want to save the file to? And you can say yes or pick a different spot and you will get it. But that's what you got to do. Right click on it and then maybe choose save link as. And yeah, it's pretty good. Like I said, it's a little bit noisy. It comes with a remote too that you can program it. I just have it set for random and pretty much using it without the motor. And we're going to, next video you can hear the motor. Yeah, that was a little noisy. You might be able to hear it in this one too. But this is with the, you can see how it rotates and it's on random. And it has, it looks very nice. And like I said, with the remote, you can program it or you can set it to music. It has a little hookup where it'll flash to whatever is playing with the music. And here's the last look at it. And like I said, I use it in the stationary. Good kit. Doesn't take great capabilities to make it. I would recommend it. Yes.